Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video and I'm excited to open some of these boxes with you. So if you are new to my channel, I create this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you different curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and also ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this video. Okay, so today I have two boxes for you. My Kiwico boxes aren't here yet. And so I can still tell you what they are at the end of the video because I know from my website, from online. So I'll tell you what they are, but I don't have them here. And then if you're interested in seeing any of those, we'll be unboxing them over the course of the month and having my kids play with them and all those things, so you can look forward to those videos. But the boxes I have for you today are the Holiday Street Co box. And this is kind of a home decor box. So this is a mom box. Some of these things, some of the subscription boxes I get are more like for mom, you know, because moms need a break too, or they need things that kind of cater to them, you know, so they don't lose themselves in homeschooling their kids. And then some of them are more catered towards homeschooling and I feel like are really good for homeschooling. So that's what the Kiwico boxes are, is for homeschooling. There's also the Maker Crate, which is for me. And then the Let's Make Art box. So we're gonna be opening this today as well. And this is a fun homeschooling one where you don't have to go out and buy all the art supplies. So let's start opening these boxes because I'm really excited to get into them, especially the Holiday Street Co box. So we're gonna start with the Holiday Street Co box, and this box is $49.99 a month. I do have a code for 10% off. I believe it's Paulson10. I'll put it up here and link it down below. So if you want to use that code and just get a discount, then that would be great for you because it's a really fun box. So they send it out every single month and it's catered towards the holidays or what's going on that month, or if it's like spring or fall, all those, the different seasons as well. So this one is more Valentine's, at least as far as I know. I guess we'll see when we get into it. There also is a mini box that just started a couple months ago, which is about half the price and about half the products. So I'm really, really excited to open this. It really has been a lot of fun for me, this box, and I enjoy decorating with it. I don't have tons of home decor. I'm fairly minimalistic when it comes to home decor, but I like nice, meaningful pieces. And lately they've been having a personalized item in their boxes, which I think has been super fun for me. So when we open it up, it has all this cute tissue paper with a XOXO right there. And so that's super cute. And then when we get into it, I'm really excited to see what we have here. But it has this cute little card. So this looks a little different. They've been doing it in like 3x5 like recipe type looking cards. So this is more accordion style. But they usually have a recipe. So this is chicken Florentine. So a fun like Valentine's type of dish you can make. And then maybe something about the holiday here, or I'm not really sure. I'll have to read through all this stuff. And then some other things about Valentine's Day. They usually have some fun like facts and things like that that you can look at, which I really enjoy. So first off, we have some cute like napkins right here. Those are really, really cute. I can use those for my kids. They'll like that. And then this was something fun I did see on their Instagram. It's all full of all the little crinkle paper, but it's garland. So this is heart garland. And so they try to ship this box so you have about a month before the holiday. I did get it almost a week ago, but I was waiting for a few other boxes to show up and my Kiwico boxes still didn't get here. So this is when we're doing it. But I think if you want the next month's box, it's by about the 15th or like the middle of the month of February that you'd have to order it. But I thought this was super cute. So just this heart garland that you could put up somewhere, either on a fireplace or in your homeschool room to kind of decorate it for Valentine's Day. I really don't have that much Valentine's decor. Like, I don't think I have any actually. It just was a hard thing for me to find something that I really, really liked. So I never decorated for it. And a candle. I really love that they keep sending me candles because I've gotten into candles all of a sudden and I just love them. So this one says Love Notes, which is cute. Red roses, jasmine, and amber. So let's see. Well, it's strong. It smells good though. It's giving me very much like bathroom type candle vibes. I don't know, I'll have to burn it and see what it smells like, but I really, really like that smell. And it bathroom, like springy too. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm not very good at describing scents, but there you go. And then this looks like a cute wood piece. So this is very cute, a Be Mine. Oh, and then it has our names on the back. So that's super cute with our names over here. So I really like that. That's a lot of fun. Whoa, I'm gonna drop it. I don't have a lot of room. This box might fall on the floor. And then I think this is a wooden piece, which I love. This is so cute. See, this is my kind of decor. I really just love fairly simple farmhousey looking stuff. And this isn't just Valentine's oriented, right? This is something you could keep up all the time. And it wouldn't be like, oh, you forgot to take down your Valentine's decorations. You're like, no, I didn't. But I just think this is adorable. It has kind of that, it's a little bit washed, rustic. I can't think, it reminds me of like that oak finish a little bit that's been distressed. That's what it's kind of reminding me of. But that is super, super cute. I really, really love that. Let me see what else is in here with all this fluffy stuff. That might have been the last product. And then they ask, like if you have children, they ask if you want them to send something for your kids. So they usually have some sort of activity. So this is a coloring page right here, but then on the backs of them, it has 5 people I love, 5 things I love to eat, 5 joys I love, and 5 places I love. So that's really cute and fun. I just can pull these out and give them to my kids. So this is a really cute box. I'm excited to have a little bit of Valentine's decor, and then also this. This is like one of my favorite, this is probably my favorite thing in this box. I just think it's so darn cute. So I'm excited to put those things up. Okay, the next box I have, the last box I guess, the only other box there is in this video is the Let's Make Art box. And this one has been so much fun. I primarily get it for my 7-year-old daughter, but you could use it for multiple kids. There's a lot of products in here. They have YouTube video like tutorials. And so if you have like watercolor paper and stuff, or even a little bit of extra watercolor paint, all your kids can do this and follow the tutorials, and I think it would be a lot of fun. So this box is $38.25, I think. It's on my computer over here, if you get it every single month. But then you can get a one-time box for $45. So if you just wanted to try it out, you could do that. Or like I said, there's a lot of art projects in here. So if you don't want to be doing art all the time, because honestly, we haven't used all the art products in all these boxes we've been getting, and it's been like 4 months. I think this is the 4th one or maybe 5th one. And we still have them around, which is kind of nice because then I can just pull them out for my daughter and she can do a project. But they last a while. Okay, there's several projects in here. So if you wanted to just get one for 1 month and then do that, and when you run out of projects, sorry. I'm having a hard time speaking right now. Projects from that box, then you can, get another one. So that's an option too. So let's open this one and see what it is. There's a lot of times they do different types of mediums. It's not always watercolor. They do have some other subscriptions that you can do. That there's one I think that is watercolor, and there's like a journaling type one. And so you can pick those, but this one is for kids only. So no adults here whatsoever. So when we open it up, they've had this cute little insert. They had this last month too, which wasn't in the ones before, but I thought this was super cute, a little insert in here. And then I don't know if we had this last month. They've been changing things up a smidge the last month or two. And so I'm just always surprised when we get in here. So I think this is showing us some of the things that we can make in this one. And the collectible patch, it's giving us instructions for that. So it'll be interesting to see what we're supposed to do that. And then we have this cute little thing. Last month this had, some of our paint colors in it. So we have some watercolor paints, and then this is sea salt, which we've used before. It kind of, does cool things and sucks up the paint. And then a whole bunch, this is like glitter, if you can see that. So that will be fun to use. My daughter loves when they give like the glitter paint. She loves using that. So then when we take this little insert out, we have all the rest of this stuff. So this is a postcard you can paint on, and every month I thought this was super great. I love subscriptions that give back. They're doing, it says we come together to spread kindness through our art. So they're making a special card for foster care system. And so then they can do it, they can paint a picture on the back and it already has a stamp on it. And then you can just drop it in the mail and, you know, bring some more light and hope to people in the world, which I just absolutely love. This is pretty hefty this month. So in here, we're gonna have a lot of different supplies. I don't know if I'm gonna open all of this, but there's a lot of watercolor paper. Let's see real quick what else is in here. So there's several pieces of like full sheets of watercolor paper. There's some black paper, and then it looked like there's probably some smaller sheets of watercolor paper in here as well, depending on what you're using them for. And then, oh, this says your mini envelope. Oh, that's right, because I feel like in here, in this little card, I'm trying to hold all the things. Yeah, it has a little envelope right here, if you can see that. And so that must be what this is for. You can paint it and do an envelope. So this says, that's what this says, mini cards and envelopes. So if you just read it, then you would know what you're doing. So I'm really excited for this. I think it's really fun and it's really cute, and my daughter loves doing it and watching the tutorials. They're really interactive, fun tutorials. So we're excited for this box this month. Okay, so the last thing is a Kiwico crate. And like I said, I don't have them here to tell you, I'll hold them up and show you what they are this month, but I figured I'd look, because on my account on Kiwico, I can see what they are. So for our Atlas crate this month, we're gonna be talking about England. So we have William Shakespeare, coat of arms, and the Big Ben clock tower. So I'm really excited about that. I love the Atlas crate. I say that all the time, but it's really one of my favorites. And then for the koala crate, which is for my youngest, she's almost 4, they're gonna be doing a farm activity. So that looks super fun. There's always like about 3 activities, usually 2 kind of crafts and a game. So that'll be a lot of fun. And then for me, for the maker crate, which is the one we get that's a little bit more expensive, it's about $30 unless you get it for longer periods of time. And whereas the other ones are like 16 to 20, depending on the length of your subscription, is batik wrapping cloths. So that sounds really cool. My daughter did something in the doodle crate with the batik, like it's dyeing. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but you dye the fabric and then you can wrap. Mine is with wrapping them presents with it. So we're gonna learn how to wrap presents with the cloth. So that'll be a lot of fun, and to dye them. And then let's see what else we have. I gotta load more subscriptions because there's too many of them. And so let's see, it's taking a sweet time. Manti is going on a treasure hunt. So that just sounds cool. Coin embossing, scale and estimation, and maps and directions. So that sounds like it's gonna be different than some of the ones we've had before. A little bit more like math type stuff going on. And Mazer is gonna make a water fountain in the Tinker crate. And so it says ancient water wheels, water power. That'll be a lot of fun. And then my 7-year-old girl, Alana, is gonna be doing macrame gear in the doodle crate. So it looks like some bracelets with a little watch face on them. So those all sound really fun. And I have one code right now that I know works, at least I'm pretty sure it works. So I'll link that down below. Right now they're kind of changing some of their affiliate stuff. And so if I have any other codes, I'll put them down in the description box and you can use those to get a discount on your boxes. I do make a small percentage from those, but I want you to be able to use them if you want a discount because I'm always looking for discount codes too when I'm going to buy these things. So those are all of our boxes for this month. I have a few other things coming, and so we'll see if I open them maybe in a day in the life type video. We'll see if we get to that or not. And I'm excited for those, but they all don't come at the same time, so I can't show them in the same video. But if you like seeing these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.